Hello everyone, this is Michael. Today I would like to introduce one type of the light-duty truck cabin to you. We are from Qixing, the biggest truck cabin manufacturer in China. Behind me is the model of Pico D17. It's the it's fully developed by ourselves, and we own the fully patents of this model. Now we would like to introduce the details of this truck. Truck cabin. This truck cabin is designed to suitable the GVW from 5 to 9 tons, and the weight is 1880. The total weight of this cabin is around 300 kg. And now we would like to introduce the inside of the cabin. As you can see, its cabin interior trim parts fully designed and made by ourselves. All of the material and parts is very safe and environmental. Please look at the dashboard and the related parts. We have the air condition and the internal control box and the fuel box, and also we have the shifting gear, a parking handle, and the passenger and the co-passenger seats. Please look at the safety belt. The safety belt had passed the EC certification. We have the mark on this part, and the steering column is adjustable, can adjust according to the driver position. And this is the clutch pedal, brake pedal, and the acceleration pedal. Okay, next we have a look at the back of the cabin. The back side cabin has one window. It's very convenient for the driver to have the view of the back side of the truck. And also it had designed the locking system. It's very safe and very easy to operate. Please let's to see the in front of this cabin. This cabin is designed for Chinese Hyundai. The profile is very strong and beautiful. Looks very modern. Please look at this side. All of this mirror and light we have the mark on it. It's can export to Europe and American countries. For this side, we have some fuel box, glove box for the driver storage, some goods and some drinks. It's very good it's very comfortable for customer. And the upside we have the sun visor and the rear view and some lights. And back the seats. There are some space can put some stuff for the customer. Okay, I'm glad to introduce this type of the cabin to you. I wish you can like it. We can work together to develop the markets for this type of cabin.